Your belief, value, faith. Do miracles happen? It is a mystery. Miracle is a wonderful event that seems impossible. It is believed to be caused by God. Here are two events. Read them and find out yourself that what makes these two events unusual and miraculous. Number 1, a train accident took place on 16th November 1998 when the Selda Express slammed into the derailed Frontier Mail. The Selda Express was crushed like a ball of paper and 4 year boy was rescued from its wreckage without a single scratch on his body. Do not you think it's a miracle? Now look here, in that train accident, whole train was crushed like a paper ball, but a small boy, 4 year old, he was rescued without a single scratch. Now look, isn't it a miracle? Now next 2. In US in November 2007, a 20-year-old boy called Jack Dunlop met with a serious accident. The Texas doctors declared him brain dead. But soon Jack recovered and now he is leading a normal life. The doctors believe that it was a miracle in the field of medical sciences. What is fate? Do you believe in it? Fate is the trust or belief that you have on something, someone. A child woke up with a cry from her deep slumber. Most probably, she had a nightmare. Although she had both the parents, she cried for her mother only. This was because of the fate that she had on her mother. She believed that her mommy can protect her from all dangers of life. It's here is a here is a story where the fate of a little girl saved her brother from dying. Read the story. Bess buying a miracle. Buys a miracle. Bess, who was only 10 years old, once overheard her parents talking about her little brother Andrew. Her mother was saying to her father, Andrew is so sick. He needs an operation. How can we go on with this treatment without money? Yes, replied her father. Taking a deep breath, he said, only miracle can save him now. Bess began to think something. After a while, she went to her room and took out her piggy bank from her cupboard. She broke it. There were some coins in it. She counted them carefully. Then she kept the coins in her purse and went to a drugstore. The chemist saw the girl but ignored her as he was talking to a man. Bess stood at the counter beside them. The chemist got annoyed. He asked rudely, what do you want? Can't you see I'm talking to my brother who has come from Chicago? Bess replied softly, I want to buy miracle. My brother Andrew is sick. Doctors say that only a miracle can save him. Can you tell me how much a miracle cost? The chemist's brother turned toward Bess and asked, What kind of miracle does your brother need? I don't know. My but my mu- but mummy says that Andrew is really sick. He needs an operation, but my parents don't have the money for the operation. My dad believes that only a miracle can save my brother. So I want to use my money to buy a miracle, said Bess innocently. How much money do you have with you? Asked a chemist's brother. $1.11, replied Bess. Wonderful! $1.11, an exact price for a miracle, said a chemist's brother. He took the money from Bess and said, "Take me to your house. I want to see your brother. Let, let me see what kind of a miracle he needs." The chemist brother was Dr. Carlton Armstrong, a famous neurosurgeon. Soon Dr. Carlton admitted Andrew in his hospital and operated him. In a few days, Andrew's sickness was cured and he became a healthy child. Bess became very happy and thanked Dr. Carlton. Dr. Carlton said, "Dear Bess, the cost of a miracle is $1.11 plus faith. You had faith in miracles. That is why a miracle happened to you." Moral of the story: faith leads the way to victory. Now, think and act. Miracles are caused by God. Always remember this, okay? Become a good human being so that God blesses you with miracles. Faith is the trust or belief that you have on something or someone. Be determined and have faith in whatever you do. Now, always pray to God. Oh, Divine Father, I have full faith in you. Whatever you do for me is for my good.